Hey y'all, it's Kevin here, and if you're new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. I review all kinds of products, and if you find this video helpful, be sure to hit that like button. It really does help out. So today I'm here to kind of open up and show you a cool little toy. If you are into blades, this is a great little device. You can pick it up on Amazon, you can pick it up at Target, basically any major retail store, including a link in the description if you want. That'll take you to Amazon if you want to check it out. But this is the Blades Burst Rise Arena. So it's the Hyposphere. It's kind of really cool. It's a great place to, if you're into blades, kind of do your battle. So we'll go ahead and open it up so you can see everything you get on it. So here's kind of the little box. Nice little arena. It is rated for kids age 8+ according to the instructions, but we'll open this up here. So here, right, we got the arena itself, and then see if I can, the blades themselves are really in here. All right, so it's going to have a little instruction booklet here. It tells you how to hook everything up, and maybe we'll do a little quick montage showing how it all gets set up. But you're going to include, so it's got the little base here. It's all made out of plastic. It's got all the little instructions. And then there's a box. We'll open this up, see what's inside. All the little plastic adapter pieces. The little launching guys. And then it's going to include the little pieces here that are going to go to the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It goes to the 6 blades that you get with the kit. And then, last but not least, it includes the little zip cords that you're going to put through here to launch them. So let's go ahead and get this all set up and then launch a couple and have a little blade battle. Okay, we're back. Everything is set up, so let's kind of show you how it all works. The Blades Arena, there's these little clips here that hold down the plastic part, little legs, keep it up. You can play with this. This would be great for manual launching, or you can use these launchers. This also comes off if you just want to play down here. So it gives you lots of flexible options. And then how you load these is you want to make sure you have a left or right side, and then you're going to put the sticks in like so. The bottom part will spin, and then you're going to grab your blade, whichever one you want to use. There's a little magnet at the bottom. Just position this so that way it has a nice grip, and then let it spin, like so. And then if you're fast enough, you can get another one going. Obviously, if you're challenging somebody, you can get them to actual battle. There you go, and it's as simple as that. So there will be a link in the description if you want to check this out on Amazon. And also you can get it at any major retail store, but these are all the kits and all the parts that you get if you purchase the Blades Arena. Until the next video, you guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you're a rock star. You made it to the end of the video. Now, if you really want to become a legend, help me out, hit that subscribe button. And then it always helps also if you hit that like button and share these videos. Till the next one, you guys take it easy.